Hello, I'm Dr. Peter Kukols, and I'd like to talk to you today about the importance of your dental health. Many people say when you come in, it's just a cleaning, and that could be the farthest from the truth. And while we spend most of our time cleaning your teeth on your visit, we're also checking for any cavities, holes, voids, changes, as well as any signs of infection, either systemic or periodontal or gum. The correlation between gum health and systemic health is extremely high, with recent studies showing that people with oral disease or gum disease have an increased incidence of coronary artery disease. In fact, they've been finding oral bacteria in the coronary arteries or in coronary plaques of people with periodontal disease. So gingivitis and periodontitis have also been linked to other systemic diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and where oral bacteria have also been found. Now, knowing most people lose the battle with bacteria or plaque in 3, 4, or 6 months, we like to make sure that you maintain those cleaning intervals. Bacterial plaque is leftover foodstuff and bacteria that just build up around your teeth, leading to inflammation of the gum tissue. And that inflammation of the gum tissue is either swelling and then can allow for bleeding in the area. And once you have bleeding, that allows bacteria into your bloodstream. So by keeping your dental cleanings, we're able to remove any leftover foodstuff or plaque and smooth the tooth surfaces so it's much more easy for you to maintain and keep clean. So maintaining your oral health is important not only for your function, but for your overall health. And at the same time, you get a nice white smile. So if you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 703-912-3800, and we can talk to you about what we can do to help you with your dental care. Thanks.